Mmm, soft and chewy.
You can be a baker boss.
Let's turn these lemons into squares by baking a delicious lemon square bar. Preheat the oven to 350 degrees. Line a 9 by 13 inch pan with parchment paper. In a medium bowl, combine the melted butter, flour, granulated sugar, baking powder, and salt. Press half of the mixture firmly into the prepared baking dish. Set aside the remaining half. To make the lemon filling, in another bowl, whisk together the eggs, flour, granulated sugar, and lemon juice. Pour the lemon filling over the prepared crust. Sprinkle the remaining crumb mixture over the lemon filling. Bake in the preheated oven for 25 to 30 minutes. Allow the bars to cool completely before lifting them out and cutting them into squares.